It was a terrific performance. Brilliant to see the young players cope in that type of environment. And it really bodes well for us going forward. As I said, some of our play was terrific, but we just failed to make the final pass and make the wrong decisions really at the end. But I can't have any complaints. I think the players gave the club everything today. I think it's a big appreciation as well to the supporters. You know, this is a club that I believe has won only 2 Premier League games at Anfield in this calendar year. And it's been nearly a year since the club has won consecutive Premier League games. So to still get the support and the backing of the supporters with that type of record, there's not many clubs would give that. And you felt with it today, they were right with the team right to the very end. And I was very proud of the team and the supporters today.
If you want to make sure you see all our goals, features and expert analysis, then remember that you have to subscribe. So press that little button right now.